Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John, and today I've got an odd story that Reddit is considering using a Sam Altman-backed company to scan users' eyeballs in order to verify that they are human. Let's jump into it. Okay, so Sam Altman is backing a company called Tools for Humanity, which is the most generic sounding company name ever, but this company is working on something called World ID, which just by the name of it alone is something that I don't want, but it gets weirder. This company makes an orb that scans your iris and verifies that you are a human while claiming to maintain anonymity. The company makes a bunch of claims about how it keeps data secure and anonymous, and it also is somehow part of a scheme for universal basic income through a crypto coin called Worldcoin. There's a ton of hand-waving and technical talk about how all this is supposed to work that, frankly, I'm not interested in exploring. The whole thing sounds like some sort of socialist world domination plot hatched by Lex Luthor. I'm kind of repelled at the fundamental level by the whole thing. But in any case, apparently Reddit has been in talks with this company about using its technology to verify Reddit users, and I have a few thoughts. First, I'm not invested in Reddit in any way. I don't post there, and I only come across Reddit content through a Google search or maybe an AI prompt. Reddit isn't really my thing, but if you're asking me to scan my iris in order to use any sort of social media platform, Reddit or otherwise, you can forget me as a user. There is absolutely no way I would do this, and I suspect a majority of people feel the same way. So I really don't see this iris scanning company succeeding or gaining traction. Second, would this even stop the problem of AI-generated content? Couldn't I still create an account and still use AI to generate content on my behalf? How does verifying my account as being associated with a human stop that human from making and sharing AI content? I don't know. Perhaps they are working on that aspect too, but the reporting here doesn't seem to address that. And lastly, I'll wrap up with this. Governments around the world are churning out all kinds of regulation for the internet, and I'm sure bureaucrats are spending countless hours thinking about ways to destroy what's left of the independent and anonymous web. This kind of top-down scheme just makes my skin crawl, and I really hope that they fail spectacularly, because if they don't, it'll only be a matter of time before you will have to have some sort of world ID in order to use any part of the web, and what's left of anonymity on the web will be completely gone. But that's just my take. I'm sure others will have different opinions, and they are welcome down in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.